Welcome to the installation guide for the SmartLock model type code CAPF. Cap fitting. Closely follow installation guide to prevent any installation mistakes. Step 1. Place the marking gauge over the tube. Align the guideline with the end of the tube. Mark as indicated. Step 2. Push the tube through the fitting. Step 3. Butt the tube end against the fitting end. Visual indication and tube are aligned. Step 4. Remove the positioning strip. Step 5. Hand tighten the tube nut. Step 6. Wrench tighten the tube nut. Step 7. Wrench tighten until there is no gap and body and tube nut are completely flush. Thank for using SmartLock fittings. Your high-pressure, quick connection solution.